Hi guys, Tom Gerber here at MarineMax Coco. Today we're on board yet another Harris 210 Sunliner. Beautiful boat. This happens to be the center walk-through design. This gives you two really nice sofas in the front area, two really nice big sofas in the rear area. This one comes with the standard 12-foot manual bimini top. It's also, as you can see, got the gauge package in this one. It does not have a multifunction display. You've got the JL audio system, really nice. It does have a locking glove box down there. I like to mention that because it's nice when you go to lunch or something, you can lock your stuff up and feel safe. This boat's also equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke, and it does have the ski tow bar back there, so you can pull skiers and wakeboarders. Beautiful midnight blue color. We're going to give you the standards rail package on this one. Silver rail package. Of course, tri-tune boat. Just one of many we have up here on Pontoon Row at MarineMax at Coco. Come down and see us.